Okay, good evening. In this session, we will discuss about the how to create the record types in Salesforce. What is the record types? Before creating the record type, you have to create the page layout. In the previous session, we discussed about the how to create the page layout. Here, for the page layout, you have to create the that means if you create the two or more page layout, for two or more page layout, you will create the record type. Here, what is a record type? Here, record type is used to customizing the UI user interface. That means customizing the user interface, whatever may you require format. For example, for principal is there. The principal requires college name only, and then for example, university requires the college university requires college number as well as the college name itself. Like that, different persons require different format of data. That means for that purpose, you are going to customizing the user interface and then assign a multiple page layouts. Here, for the record type, you will assign the two or more page layouts, and then the one default page layout created by the Salesforce, and then separate the UI for the same object. That is a simple information regarding the this, and then you have a Salesforce record type creation. How can you create the Salesforce record type? Here, for creating the Salesforce record type, first create the page layout for the object. Here, okay, then in the previous class you discussed about how can you create the page layout. If you want to see the page layout, here if you comes to the college, in the previously you have I created one page layout in this way. Here this is a page layout. Here in this page layout I am the two sections divided into two sections. The first section consists of college name. For principal you required college name. For university you required college location and then college number. Like that you required some sessions are there. This is a one type of page layout previously I created. And then another important thing here is a assign this field to the page layout. Already assigned that field to the page layout. This part over. Next one, create a record type and then assign record type to profile. That means you have a different profile administrator. Like that you have a different profiles are there. You have to add this profile, and then finally corresponding values to the pick list. You have to add the corresponding values, and then coming to the navigation for the record type like this. What is the navigation? Go to setup. Under setup there is a create option is there left side, and then you go to object, the particular object record type, and then new. Here you will look into the Salesforce and log into the Salesforce. How can you log into the Salesforce? Go to login.salesforce.com. Here you will identify the environment like this. Here you have a, that means I am in college information system, the college information system application. That application previously I created that application. And then what are the important thing here? I want to, I'm going to creating the one type, record type. How can I create the record type? Here directly goes to the setup. Under setup you have a some create option is there. Under create option there exists a object. Click on object, and then click on object. On which object you are going to creating the record type, on which object you are going to creating the record type. This is a, I'm going to creating the which object, the college object. Here I'm going to creating the, go to record type. Here if it comes to the record type, here there is a record type option is there. Here click on record type. Here I'm going to creating the new record type. Click on record type. Here it will ask the name, the existing record type master, and then ask the name. What is the name? For example, college underscore record type. For example, college underscore record type, the name. That means you may write the description. If enable the profile, what is the important thing? The important thing here is that assign to the profile. You have to assign to the this information to the profile. Here what is the profile? Here enable the profile value, and then click on next. Click on next. and then here you have to up, apply one layout to the all profiles. Here you have a two layouts are there. The Uma underscore page, previously I created that layout, and then I am taking that one Uma underscore page layout. Here that means apply one layout to the profile. I applied this layout to the profile and then save, or directly save. And then if you want to create the another another type, that means save and then new. I'm going to creating the another record type. Here another record type. Here previously I created record type. Here is a college record type. For example, second one, second record type. Second, let us assume this is a record type is a second. In this case, profile, enable the profile, and then go to next. And then here apply one layout to already previously assign a layout to Uma underscore this one, and then college layout. The college layout already created by the Salesforce. Save this one. Here I created two page layout. Verify this one. That means if you want to verify that information, go to college layout, college. Here, if you click here, it will ask here which page layout, the record type of a new record. Which that means you have a two types are there. One is a college record type. If you comes to the college record type and then continue, here you will fill the value college name. For example, college name here is a you may take any college name. The college name, for example, Siddhartha or Gautami. Gautami college name, and then you college code C68. Let us assume college number, college location. For example, it is in Hyderabad. Let us assume, and then college number C55. Let us assume simple information like that. Save it. This is a one type of record type. If you go to the another one, second one, go to the second one. Here the second record type like this. This is a one format of record type: the college name, college number, and then college location. This is another format. Here also you may give the college name. For example, mm, any name. ABC is the college name, and then college number C98, college number, college location Tirupati, and then save it. Here you have the record related information is there. This is that means all in any format you may create the record. This is in this way you will add the record type. Thank you.